Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your iPhone. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and powered off. Then, press and hold the power button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds. You'll hear a voice say Bluetooth pairing and see an indicator light flashing, confirming they are in discovery mode. For some new models, simply taking them out of the charging case will initiate pairing. Next, grab your iPhone and unlock its screen. Navigate to the Settings application, which looks like a gear icon. Once inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find and tap on the Bluetooth option. It's crucial to ensure the Bluetooth toggle switch is green, indicating it's turned on. Your iPhone will then automatically start scanning for any available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Now look at the list of devices under Other Devices or My Devices on your iPhone's Bluetooth screen. You should see your Sony headphones listed by their model name. Simply tap on their name to begin the connection. Occasionally, you might be asked to confirm a pairing request or enter a simple passcode, often 4 zeros. Once connected, your headphones will usually provide a voice confirmation like Bluetooth connected, letting you know you're ready to go. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Sony headphones are within 1 meter or about 3 feet of your iPhone. A common fix is to simply toggle your iPhone's Bluetooth off and then back on again. If the problem persists, you can tap the information icon next to your headphone's name in Bluetooth settings and select Forget this device. Then restart the pairing process. Keep in mind that pairing mode on your headphones usually times out after 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.